how you configure that. So on the Dev Center level, there's the Dev Box definitions, and in such a definition, you can specify what VM image needs to be used when deploying such a VM, and you get to set the level of compute, the number of CPUs, and those kind of things, and the storage. You can also create your own images, of course. So you can already have some software being pre-installed. And then in the project itself, you get to create these DevBox pools. And on a DevBox pool, you get to set a few extra things like what network should be used. When someone logs on, are you a standard user or local admin, those kind of things. And this is also the level where you get to set the limits on someone can only have 2 dev boxes, for example, at most. If we then go into that portal, and I'm running out of time, I see that, so let's quickly do the last demo. I think it's this one. There we go. So creating a dev box is very simple. It's again through this UI, you pass in a name, and you get to select the pool that someone deploys the VM in. You can apply customizations, so teams themselves can create a script, and in that script you can say, I need to have documents installed, I need to have VS Code installed, I want you to already download this repository, those kind of things. So teams themselves can write what needs to be done on top of the VM image when a new VM is actually being created. That's very useful. You can really specify what you and your team needs to have provisioned in that VM. And when that VM then is provisioned, you can obviously start using that. There's nice integration with Entra ID, so single sign-on normally works. If you actually have it configured, because I've not, so I need to pass in my password, but you can actually do single sign-on if you want to. And then the DevBox opens as a regular Windows VM like you would normally do. And what I did when I built the VM, I said that I wanted to use a few customizations. And in that customization, I added installed VS Code, and I told it to already download a particular repository. So I get to go into my VM the first time, my tooling is available, my source code is available, and permissions are set, and I get to do my work from there. All the tooling, bells and whistles, is already available. So I think it's a very powerful tool to get people quickly onboarded without having them to wait for all these hoops to go through when installing software and those kind of things.